gluten-free, 6-ingredient pizza. Few important notes before you make this recipe. Number 1, your oven is different from mine. My mom's oven is brand new, so if you have an older oven, you might want to put it a little bit higher, or you might like it a little bit lower. Either way, your oven is different from mine, okay? Number 2, set your timer on your oven clock or your phone or whatever, and check that stuff often, okay? Number 3, also make sure that for the best tasting pizza, in my opinion, use this is what we call a pizza stone, okay? Use a pizza stone. A total of about 15 minutes prep time. First thing you need to do is peel the outside skin from the Portabella mushrooms, and then also take out the stems in the middle, okay? Because it's a pizza, all right? So you can eat them, but whatever, do what you want with the stems, but just, I mean, it's pizza, so take the stems out. And it's easy, you can cut them, or you can just pop them out in most. We got all this stuff from Walmart, with the exception of the rotisserie chicken, which we got at Sam's, owned by Walmart. The only ingredients I used were the Portabella mushroom caps, Hidden Valley light ranch dressing, cheese shredded, sauteed onions in olive oil, and the rotisserie chicken from Sam's Club. My name is Liberty V Justice, and there's no period in my V because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories, my friend. You're worth it. So, if you're enjoying this so far, do me a favor, click the subscribe button right now, and click the bell so you can get notifications when I do more health and fitness stuff. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff because I really want to help y'all. And there's another episode that you can watch about emotional eating, and it's somewhere around here. So click that. Thank you. And lastly, be smart about the cheese. One of the biggest mistakes that people make when they are making pizza is that they put the cheese on the bottom. But here's the thing. Put the cheese on top. Put on your ranch, put your chicken and your onions, and then put the cheese on top, okay? Because it will kind of hold your ingredients down a little bit, like, you know what I mean? So I recommend, I mean, you can do it however you want to, but it's better if you put the cheese on top, okay? You're worth it. This is what the Portabella chicken ranch pizza looks like before it goes in the oven. Blow up. 10 minutes, and that is all it took. Oh, I cannot wait to take that to the face. Test. Taking it to the face. Wow. I'm shocked. Oh my God. That is so good. Man, I'm glad I thought of that.